In this tutorial, you learn how to use the Patient Education Library, a preloaded collection of educational visuals designed to help you explain treatments more clearly and strengthen patient understanding. These materials can be added directly into the canvas, displayed side by side with your patient's own images to support informed decision-making. The Patient Education Library provides ready-to-use educational materials for all DS Core Standard and Advanced subscribers. These visuals help you communicate treatment concepts in a simple, engaging way, whether you're discussing disease development, treatment steps, or general oral health topics. The materials are organized by indication now, making it easy to find the right visual for each clinical scenario, making adding education materials into the canvas simple. Open the canvas of any patient. Click Add Media. In the pop-up window, select the Patient Education Material tab. Browse categories or filter by indication. Select one or multiple educational visuals and click Add Media. Once added, you can move and position them anywhere within the canvas. This allows you to place the educational material right next to the patient's X-rays, photos, or scans, turning Canvas into a powerful consultation workspace. Here are key behaviors of the Patient Education Library. Shareable with patients. All materials can be shared with patients via DS Core, cannot be deleted. Even if removed from a canvas, the material always remains available in the library. Library is not editable. You cannot upload additional media to complement the preloaded education content yet. No storage impact. Materials do not consume your subscription storage space. They reside in a dedicated, non-patient-specific storage area created for your practice. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.